If you're like most people working with PowerPoint, you probably have limited time to prepare your slides with a busy calendar. You still want to develop effective, good-looking presentations, and you probably don't know exactly which PowerPoint techniques are most effective, both in terms of communication and time consumption. Mitigating exactly these challenges are the top priorities and backbone of my PowerPoint courses. In relation to the time you have available, we approach the PowerPoint techniques as a staircase model. Through a series of practical PowerPoint exercises, you'll learn which techniques provide the best return on invested time and effort. In other words, what can you do if you have 0 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, or maybe a full day at your disposal? If you have 0 minutes, I mean no time to improve your slide deck, there are still 3 techniques that makes a huge difference when you present your slides. One of the best things you can do is to use the best wireless presenter in the best possible way. The remaining steps of the staircase focus on techniques that enable a visual and a verbal synchronizing, meaning that what your audience see on your slide matches what you say the very moment you present it. The techniques work on both text, numbers, and graphical elements. In addition, you'll learn effective ways of working with icons, images, and structuring your messages. To that end, you'll learn how to master the McKinsey pyramid principle. The pyramid structure starts out establishing a burning platform with the aim of engaging the audience of the presentation by stating the situation, the complication, which leads to a question. And then the overall conclusion are presented at the very start of the presentation / the top of the pyramid, while the details are presented at the end. Once you have learned the basic techniques, the last part of the course focuses on how we can most effectively get AI and Copilot to help us design the presentations according to the right principles with the right techniques. So this was the short introduction of my content of the course, which I teach both physically and online. Perhaps you're left with the question, who am I to claim that I know which techniques will provide maximum return on invested time? Well, the answer is that all of my recommendations are resting on a solid evidence-based foundation provided by more than 2,500 course participants who for more than 13 years have evaluated many different techniques against each other, providing live feedback and evaluation data on their phones during the courses. In other words, they have documented what works the best and how much better one technique is working compared to the other. One last thing I would like to mention is that I offer free phone support for previous course participants if they need technical assistance in PowerPoint, Copilot, or other related programs. Thank you for watching.